Here's how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat on Android. Now, if you have an Android phone, Samsung, Google Pixel, whatever you may have, I'm going to show you how to create that bounce or boomerang effect. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Snapchat app here. And the first thing we'll do is we'll record a quick video. So let's say I'm going to record a video of my remote here and zoom in and out. Now, after I've done that, I can add a bounce to this or a boomerang by tapping on the little loop icon at the very bottom right. Now, you might need to tap on the arrow pointing down to show all of these options, but I can tap on it and you can see it says play once. I'll tap on it again, and now it says loop. So it will infinitely loop over and over and over of me zooming in and out of that remote, and it will basically go through that. You can then hit send, and then send to whoever you want, or add it as a story. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.